The O'Moore, or O'Moore family, is one of the most prominent and historic Gaelic clans of Ireland, particularly associated with Moors played a significant role in Irish history, especially during the medieval and early modern periods where they were key figures in the struggle against English rule. The O'Moores trace their ancestry back to the ancient Irish nobility. This suggests that the family was held in high regard within Gaelic society. The O'Moores were the ruling family of the kingdom in Central Ireland. In the early medieval period, the kingdom of an important buffer state between the larger kingdoms of Leinster and Munster. The O'Moores, as kings, managed to maintain a degree of independence despite the pressures from their more powerful neighbours. The arrival of the Anglo-Normans in the 12th century marked a significant turning point for the O'Moores. The Norman invasion, led by Strongbow, Richard de Clare, resulted in the displacement and disruption of many Gaelic families. The O'Moores were initially forced to yield territory and power to the invaders, including the strategic Rock of Dunamase. Despite these setbacks, the O'Moores remained a force to be reckoned with. Throughout the 13th and 14th centuries, they engaged in frequent skirmishes and battles against the Anglo-Normans, striving to regain control over their ancestral lands. The O'Moores were part of a broader Gaelic resurgence during this period, where many Irish lords successfully pushed back against Norman control in certain areas. The 16th century brought renewed challenges for the O'Moores as the English crown sought to extend its control over all of Ireland. The Tudor conquest, initiated by King Henry VIII and continued by his successors, aimed to bring the Gaelic lords under English rule through a policy known as surrender and regrant, which sought to transform Irish chieftains into English-style landlords loyal to the crown. The O'Moores, however, were resistant to these efforts. Led by figures such as Rory O'Moore, the clan was at the forefront of opposition to English policies in Ireland. Rory became a celebrated leader during the 1550s, launching guerrilla attacks against English forces in what became known as the O'Moore Rebellion. His actions, along with those of other Gaelic leaders, made the English occupation of the Midlands difficult and costly. In response, the English government under Queen Mary decided to implement the first official plantation in Ireland in 1556. This involved the confiscation of O'Moore lands and the settlement of English colonists in the region, and the O'Moores were driven from much of their territory. Despite the loss of their lands, the O'Moores continued to be a thorn in the side of the English authorities. They maintained a presence in the region and participated in various uprisings, including the 9 Years' War, 1594 to 1603, led by Hugh O'Neill, and later the Irish Confederate Wars, 1641 to 1653. The Cromwellian conquest of Ireland in the 1650s further decimated the O'Moore family, as many members were either killed or forced into exile. The aftermath saw the final decline of the O'Moores as a significant power in Irish politics, though the family name continued to be respected. In the centuries that followed, the O'Moores, like many other Gaelic families, assimilated into the broader Irish society, though they never regained their former power or lands. However, their legacy as fierce defenders of Gaelic Ireland remains a source of pride. The O'Moores are remembered as symbols of resistance against foreign domination in Ireland. The Rock of Dunamase, closely associated with the O'Moores, stands as a monument to their long and storied history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. It would help my channel in the algorithm. Thank you.